Have you ever wanted to manipulate videos straight from Python like a pro filmmaker? Well, today I'm going to show you how using the powerful FFmpeg library. First things first, let's get FFmpeg ready in our Python environment. Open your terminal and install FFmpeg. This is the magic tool we'll be using for all our examples today. And yes, all of the examples we'll go through in this video, we'll use this exact video as our playground. Let's dive into our first cool example. Imagine you have a video in MP4 format, but you need it in AVI, maybe for compatibility, maybe for fun. With FFmpeg, this is as easy as it gets. Here's the idea. We tell FFmpeg to take our input.mp4, and then we specify the output as output.avi. And if we want, we can even strip out the audio using the AND option. Perfect if you just want the visuals. And just like that, when we run this command, FFmpeg works its magic behind the scenes and you've got your video converted to AVI, ready to play anywhere. All right, now let's move on to our second example, and this one's super fun. Imagine you don't need the whole video, you just want a short clip from it, maybe the first 10 seconds. With FFmpeg, trimming a video is incredibly simple. We just tell it where to start and how long we want the clip to be. In this case, we're starting right at the very beginning and capturing the first 10 seconds. We're also removing the audio again, so what we get is just the visuals without any sound. And here's the cool part. FFmpeg quickly processes everything and cuts the video with precision. You don't have to worry about editing software or dragging sliders. This tool does it automatically. In just a few seconds, you have a clean, brand new file containing exactly the portion you want, ready to use wherever you need it. Now let's jump into another powerful example. Sometimes you don't want to keep your video in full resolution. Maybe you need a smaller version for faster loading or easier sharing. With FFmpeg, resizing a video is super straightforward. All we do is tell it the width and height we want, and it instantly scales the video down to that exact resolution. In this case, we're creating a 480p version of our video, which is perfect for situations where you want a lighter file without sacrificing too much quality. FFmpeg handles the scaling automatically, making sure the video looks sharp and clean. And just like that, you've got a brand new version of your video, optimized and ready to go. All right, let's take things up a notch with some speed control. Sometimes you want your video to play faster, maybe to create a fun time-lapse effect. Other times you might want to slow it down, adding that dramatic, cinematic feel. With FFmpeg, both are super easy to achieve. When we speed up the video, every frame is processed twice as fast, so the motion becomes quick, energetic, and almost playful. It's perfect for showing long processes in just a few seconds. On the other hand, when we slow the video down, each frame is stretched out and displayed longer. This creates that smooth, slow motion vibe you often see in movies, where even the smallest details suddenly stand out. And here's the best part. With just a simple change in settings, you can completely transform the mood of your video. The fast version feels exciting and dynamic, while the slow version feels intense and dramatic. Both are created from the exact same source, but the experience is totally different. That's the real magic of FFmpeg. It gives you full creative control over how your audience experiences the story on screen. Now, let's make our videos even more expressive by adding text, like subtitles or captions. Imagine you want to highlight something important or just add a fun message to your video. With FFmpeg, this is super easy and looks professional. You can choose exactly what the text says, pick a color that stands out, and even adjust the size so it's clearly visible. If you want, you can place it anywhere on the screen, top, center, bottom, whatever works best for your video. You can also add a background box behind the text, making sure it's readable no matter what's happening in the video. And here's the fun part. In just a few moments, your video transforms. The text pops up exactly where you want it, the colors and fonts make it eye-catching, and it feels like a polished, finished product. Adding subtitles or captions this way is not just functional. It also gives your video that extra touch of style and clarity that really grabs attention. Next up, let's talk about rotating videos, a simple tweak that can make a big difference. Maybe you filmed something on your phone and it came out sideways, or you want to change the perspective to make it more dynamic. With FFmpeg, rotating a video is quick and effortless. You just tell it which direction to rotate and it adjusts every frame automatically. Whether you want a 90-degree turn, a flip, or a complete rotation, FFmpeg handles it perfectly. The result? Your video suddenly fits the screen the way you want, looks natural, and is ready to share or edit further. It's a tiny change that can completely improve the viewing experience, making your footage look polished and professional in just seconds. Now, let's tackle one of the most satisfying tasks, merging multiple videos into a single file. Imagine you have several clips from an event, a tutorial, or a project, and you want to combine them seamlessly. With FFmpeg, this is super smooth and precise. All you need to do is create a simple list of your video files, and FFmpeg reads that list to join them together in order. There's no re-encoding necessary, so the process is fast and the quality stays intact. The result is amazing. Multiple clips, which used to be separate files, now play as one continuous video. It's perfect for creating compilations, highlights, or any project where you want your footage to flow effortlessly from start to finish. FFmpeg makes it feel effortless, turning a pile of videos into a single polished masterpiece. Next, let's explore cropping a video, perfect when you want to focus on a specific part of the frame or remove unwanted edges. With FFmpeg, cropping is simple and precise. You just define the width and height of the area you want to keep and specify where that area starts on the screen. FFmpeg then extracts that section from every frame, leaving you with exactly the portion you care about. The result? A clean, focused video that highlights the most important content. It's a great way to improve composition, remove distractions, or create a new perspective, all without losing any of the quality from the original footage. Now let's explore another creative effect, turning a video into black and white. Sometimes color isn't necessary, and removing it can completely change the mood of your footage. With FFmpeg, this is super easy to achieve. By applying a simple filter, all the colors are stripped away, leaving only shades of gray. The result is a clean, classic, and timeless look, almost like an old movie or a dramatic art piece. This effect is perfect if you want to add emotion, focus attention on details, or just give your video a unique, stylish vibe. It's amazing how something as simple as removing color can transform the entire atmosphere of a scene. Next, let's talk about blurring a video, an effect that can be both practical and creative. Sometimes you may want to hide sensitive details like faces or text. Other times, adding a blur can create a soft, cinematic style. With FFmpeg, applying blur is quick and flexible. By using a blur filter, the sharp edges in each frame are smoothed out, giving the video a softer appearance. You can adjust the strength of the blur to make it light and subtle or strong and dramatic, depending on the effect you're going for. The result can be functional, like hiding something from view, or purely artistic, adding depth and atmosphere to your footage. It's a simple touch that can completely change the look and feel of your video. Now let's add a border to our video. Something small but visually powerful. Borders can make a video stand out, give it structure, or make it look more polished and professional. With FFmpeg, adding a border is as simple as padding the original frame. Here, extra space is added around the video, and we can choose the color of that space, in this case, black. The video sits perfectly centered inside the frame, with the border evenly surrounding it. This effect is great for creating a clean presentation style, making your footage pop against any background, or preparing videos for platforms that require specific dimensions. A subtle border can transform your video into something that feels sharper, neater, and more intentional. Finally, let's have some fun by mirroring a video horizontally. Maybe you want to create a cool reflection effect, or simply flip the scene to change the perspective. With FFmpeg, this is incredibly easy. Every frame is flipped perfectly from left to right, giving your video a mirrored look instantly. And just like that, we've explored so many amazing ways to transform videos with Python and FFmpeg, from converting formats, trimming clips, resizing, adjusting speed, adding text, rotating, merging, cropping, and now mirroring. The possibilities are endless, and with just a few lines of code, you can bring your creative vision to life.